YouTube, what's going on? Kyle again from ePoolSupply. Today we are back for some quick fix videos for you guys on Polaris's Turbo Turtle pressure side pool cleaner for above ground pools. So we're going to dive in and show you guys how to completely tear this thing apart from the outside in. Stay tuned. Alright guys, and we're back. So again, today we got some quick fix videos for you guys on Polaris's Turbo Turtle above ground pressure side pool cleaner. So you guys can tell in front of me, I've got the cleaner already stripped down. So you're like, what is he going to be doing? But today we're actually going to go over the internal mechanism here. I'm going to show you guys how to actually take the main section here off of the mechanism. This is going to be where your actual feed hose comes into, as well as where the bag hose, the sweep hose, whatever you want to call it, plugs into. So this is where a lot of the working happens. So if for some reason something gets in here, gets jammed, and you're unable to, take it out and actually get inside, I'm going to show you guys how to take this top off. But again, if you guys want to know how to get this entire mechanism out, make sure you guys check out the links in the description. That I'll have an actual full playlist for you guys on how to tear this thing apart from the outside in. So to take this clear piece off of your mechanism, once you have removed it and you've watched those other videos and hit that like button and subscribe, you're going to need a actual Phillips head screwdriver. That's what it's called. So you're going to go ahead and make sure, I got a ratcheting one, so you want to make sure that it's in reverse and not in the other direction. It's another nightmare for you guys. So go ahead and locate both of the little Phillips head screws that are on the side of this piece. There's two of them. They just sink together through the plastic to make sure that you guys can't actually physically rotate this thing open right away. This does have a locking mechanism that will twist, and I'll show you guys when I remove it. But the screws are meant to stay in there as a set to make sure that, one, as this thing's operating, it doesn't jostle loose and cause chaos inside the cleaner. And then two, it just makes sure that everything stays together for you. So really, really simple. Just go ahead, remove both of these screws. They're small little self-tapping screws, so when you guys don't want to constantly take these out and in, because you're going to stretch out the plastic on this mechanism and you're going to end up needing to buy more of the mechanism. So only do this when needed. But once you remove the screws, you're going to go ahead and grab the top here, and it's just a quarter turn to the left, just lefty-loosey, righty-tighty, and you should be able to go ahead and pull the entire cap off here, which will give you access in here to their drive shaft. It does have a washer, an actual O-ring around the outside here, so when you guys do want to put the cap back on after you've cleared the debris, done what you need to do here, you're going to want to make sure that you lube that up so that it just makes sure that this thing stays watertight, so that as this is floating around, you're not getting water seeping into this as well, ruining pressure, causing issues with the cleaner. So really just wanted to show you guys that. To go ahead and sink it back on, you're going to go ahead and line it up with the tabs on the side of the clear piece here. So you're going to go ahead, just gently slide it down, make sure that it's around all the way around on the edge. It sits flat. It actually has a little ridge here that will hold it, and then you're going to go ahead and turn it the opposite direction so that it'll lock it in, and you should not be able to lift it out by any means. And then from there, you're going to go ahead and grab your Phillips head screws, sink those back in. Again, hand tools only. Do not do this with power tools. You overdrive this, you're going to crack this plastic, and then you cause a whole nother nightmare. So hand tools only. Get it as hand tight as you can so it sits flush to the mechanism, and then again, follow your steps like you did to take it out to put it back in. Really, really simple for you guys. So just want to show you guys how to get access to clear debris here from this top part. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. We're going to get into the lower part of the mechanism, show you guys how to get access to the randomizer ball, as well as some of the gears located at the bottom here, which will give you access to the drive shaft as well. So I really appreciate you guys watching. I'm Kyle from ePoolSupply, and we'll see you next time.